welcome back to my channel. Today it is bonfire night, so I'm super excited. Let's get right into this vlog because I'm super excited to take you with me. So, I've got my hair up in a ponytail right now with my Demi Lovato jumper on with some regular black leggings with my Minnie Mouse shoes, and they're awesome. So right now we are getting ready because we're going to go to Asda in Plymouth, and we're going to go and get Holly, my sister, a skirt. So I guess I will see you either in the car or when I get to Asda. I am in Asda right now looking at the lovely books, but I just stuck in the aisle because my sister is going to find a skirt that she likes because she needs to go to school, and we're going to take her to school straight after finding one right now. Then we're going to get some tights, so I'll see you. So I am also, I said I'm in Asda, so I'm going to go and look for some Christmas decorations or some Christmas things, and I will see you when I find them. I haven't found any Christmas things, but the thing is I have found, you might have just seen them. Oh my god guys, they're so cute. Like, they have them in adult size too. One day I might come back up here and I'm gonna get something for Pudsey Day. Literally, it's literally so cute. I'm gonna show you any minute now. And this is what I love so much. And then there's one more thing that is so cute. It's this, but they have it adult size, like over the side, which I'll show you any minute now. And then, oh my god guys, this is just adorable. And then have it, I wish this one was in the adult size. It's amazing, and it's like you can do it like that. It's just like, oh my god. Oh, I wish I was a kid again, because I would definitely wear this top. It's just adorable. Oh my god. And it has like this little t-shirt. It's only £5, a bargain. Like, look at that. And it's so soft. That's amazing. Like, if I said it's an adult. Like, and then it's amazing, guys. Look at that top. They're all amazing, so I'm definitely gonna come in next. Guys, I found loads of Christmas things, like Christmas jumpers. Like, I love it so much. Oh my god, I gotta show you. This is Mickey and Minnie Mouse sparkly jumper for Christmas, and it says Merry Christmas on it. I see it in another Asda, but they have my sizes. I have this stuff here, which I love so much. And then this one is just like, it says love this. It's amazing. This one I love so much because ho ho ho. And then this one, it's an absolute, I love it so much. But this one is my absolute fave. And I'm going to show you my Christmas outfit I want to get. so I want to get this skirt. It's lovely, it's just amazing. Look how sparkly that is, guys. And then this jacket here, but it doesn't go together, so we're waiting for a different. We're currently in the cafe in Asda, and we're going to have a drink because we just had food in McDonald's. But then we're going to have. So my sister doesn't feel well, so she's going to take some tablets. I'm just going to get something to eat for her. And I've just had my blackcurrant Capri Sun to have. My mum just had a coffee or a latte, and my sister just had some water just to make her a little bit better. So we are going to currently go to Tesco in Ebbville. So up in Ebbville to see if there's a skirt for her to go to school with because she's currently late. But I am in Ebbville Tesco's and I have found some really nice clothes in the clothes aisle, and I'll show you now. And you might think they're not good, but I like them only because they're sparkly and they're really nice. So it's like this top right here, like really nice. I don't like the material of it, but I like the colours of it. My mum and my sister are just getting a couple of bits in here right now, and I'm just looking around myself because that's what I do when I come into Tesco. I look around by myself and then I go and meet them up in a bit. But they're going to find a skirt for Holly's school, and then I'm going home, so I'll see you in a bit. That we just put away. We was like on a mission, on a lovely little mission. We was on a mission to find a school skirt. We went to Tesco's, we went to Morrison's, went to Asda. No school skirt about at all. I didn't think it was going to be that hard to find a school skirt for my sister. Oh well, but we're home now. I'm going to my mum's friends to help her, well, not to help her, but to go there because I have to go and see this lady today at 1:30 p.m. and to sort things out about stuff. And then at 5 p.m. 5 to 6:30 we're going down to this Belgrave Park bonfire night, because it's bonfire night tonight, 5th of November. So I'm super excited to go and see the fireworks. I will be showing you a couple of clips of the fireworks. That's why I'm vlogging today. And oh my god, so yeah, it's bonfire night, and then next festive season is Christmas, my favourite time of year. So I'll see you when I get probably back to the house to go get ready for the fireworks, which I'll probably just wear this, but I'll see you soon. See you soon. Hey guys, so I am now back. I'm in my room, as you can tell. I have just seen the lady. I seen her at 1:30, so it took about half an hour, 20 minutes, but Before that I went with Mum to her friend's house to just wait there until we have to see her lady, and it was really good because everything is now sorted, and yeah, I'm excited to do what I will be doing with them. And yes, so right now I might change my jumper because this woman, like, not the woman, my mum's friend, like, he smokes and my jumper smells smoke, and like, it doesn't smell very good. So I am going to find another jumper, a comfortable jumper to wear down to the thing because it'll be super cold. Let's see if this will make any good lighting. No, I get it. Okay. So yes. So right now I'm gonna see if I can have another jumper. See if one's in my wardrobe, and then I'm gonna spray myself. Put some spray on, like put some perfume, and yes. But guys, one thing, I'm gonna show you something. I have found this. It's Santa, like, it's ready for the tree. Like, I can't wait. It's the 5th of November today, Bonfire night, as you know. I'm so excited to go tonight. But today, guys, oh my god, it's the 5th of November, so that means it's like a month. Like a month today is the 5th of December, but I can't wait either because I'm starting Vlogmas, and Vlogmas is starting in just under a month. So the 1st of December I'm starting Vlogmas, and I can't wait. I've got like I think I've got plans, but I'm really still not sure what to do for Vlogmas. Like, but don't worry, I have a friend called Naomi, as some of you guys know, but some of you don't know Naomi. Naomi, she is 13 years old. She is my bestest friend in the world. Like, she's been in every single vlog of mine, apart from some of them that I've done alone by myself. But she's been in most of my vlogs, and I love her so much because she's awesome, and she's always been there for me since we have been like best friends, and we do many dance competitions together because we go to the same dance class, and she's really awesome. And Naomi, if you're watching this, I love you so much because you're amazing, and thank you for everything. So right now, guys, I'm going to see if there's another jumper suitable in my wardrobe, but if I end up having the same jumper on, it's because I can't find one. So I'm going to try and put some spray on. What's this? Body wash. Oh, I might have a shot, but I don't know. But then tonight people will be smoking again, so I will see what to do. But I will just spray my hair, spray my jumper, or find another one. So right now, that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, I've changed my jumper. Now it is my Disneyland jumper that I have currently bought about 4 years ago now. It was 2016. 3 years ago when I went to Disneyland when I was 15 years old. That was like a dream come true. I've like literally always wanted to go to Disneyland Paris, and I went. So I'm super happy that actually came true and stuff like that, yeah. So I went to Disneyland Paris in 2016 when I was 15 years old, and we went on a plane. It was my favourite time going on a plane. Just go over there. Yeah, so it was my favourite time going on a plane, and it was frightening, but it was very, very frightening. But I think the most exciting part is getting there and staying in the hotel, and it was just amazing. So that was once in a lifetime holiday. I don't see myself going back because it's like literally a lot of money, but but if I had the opportunity to go back to Disneyland Paris or go to Disneyland, I would definitely say yes, because if I could afford it, because you know Disneyland is amazing, and yes. But I want to go abroad again. I literally want to go abroad. I want to go to Disney. I want to go to Disneyland again. Paris. We didn't exactly go around Paris, so we just went to Disneyland. So I want to go to Paris. I want to go to, I know Paris is in France, but I want to go around France. In France, I want to go to New York. I want to go to Los Angeles, California. I know they're both the same, but they're different places. So yeah, so I'm all ready. This is where I got my jumper from. It says Bonfire or something. I'm not really sure. I don't speak French. So I've got my lovely little Disneyland jumper on. Just gonna spray myself, and gonna ask my sister see if I got a spray in my desk drawers. I got my laptop in this drawer. This bag I had for my 18th birthday, and stuff like that. And let's have a look if I got other things. Nope, I've only got lip balms, which that would help me smell that nice. But then I had this for Christmas birthday. I had this for my 18th birthday, yes, from my gran. It's really nice. And I've got another one, which is right here, if I can get it. So these two, there's 2 hearts, but this one is got gold and pink, and then this one here, you might have seen before, but it's like a single one. So yeah, that's what I got, and I guess next time I'll see you is either just before we go or when, because right now I'm going to be doing, what am I going to be doing now? Yeah, finding some spray, just chilling. It's nearly 5 PM, I think. Wait, what is the time, guys? So look. Actually, just as I tell you, it's nowhere near 5 PM. It's just coming up to 3 o'clock. So I don't know where I got 5 PM from. Oh well. Okay, so it's just coming up to 3 PM right now, and I can't wait. It's about 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours until the gates open, but it gets super busy down by Belgrave. We're gonna go for fireworks tonight, so we are gonna go when it's the queue, because it's usually every single year. It's usually a big massive queue all the way down the road, and it's manic. So yeah, might not be able to film like when I get it, like walking in there, because it's normally like thousands of children and thousands of parents around, so I can't really film there, but I'll be filming the fireworks for you, so don't panic, you will be able to see them. I don't know, it's normally a different theme at each year. Last year it was the 25th anniversary, and that was amazing because it had, I know Frozen's childish, but it was a Frozen themed, and then it had different songs. So it was Frozen, Greatest Showman songs, it was all Disney themed as well, and last year they had the Disney princesses out, so I don't know what's going to happen this year, but we will have to wait and see, don't we? So yes. So yeah, right now I'll probably watch it from Netflix, or I'm going to check out all my apps, see if I've got any notifications from anyone, and I'll see you in about an hour or two. Okay, bye. So guys, it's literally like 4:20 p.m. right now, and we are leaving in about, I think, an hour or so. Well, the doors open in about 40 minutes, like 5, but because it's like really hectic and everyone wants to get to like the front of the queue and to like to see the fireworks, to get a really good spot, like they all want to turn up really early. So when we end up going to be there, it's like normally a long line from like, say, my window all the way down to the bottom of the road, and it's so hectic, it's so noisy, because like, and everything, but everyone loves this display, and it's just like I said earlier on, last year it was the 25th anniversary for the bonfire, for the round circle. If I just put you there, for the round circle, and that's where it's being held at down Belgrave Park, where we go. Like, we've been there for like 3-4 years now, and it's amazing. They have put so much work and so much work into that display, and it's just, they do a really good job every single year. So like I said, I'm wearing this jumper tonight with just some plain black leggings and my shoes. And yeah, so I am hoping I can get some to eat down there tonight, but we don't normally do that. But you know, yeah. So here, oh guys, I found this like the other day. It's my Disneyland book, and when I was like 15, I bought this book and I got all the signatures of all the characters. This signature was when I went to the Mickey Cafe, and it was just amazing. So I've still got the Disneyland Paris autograph book, and that day was amazing. We ended up being there when 23rd of December, and we left on Boxing Day, I think we did. We went there 4 days and 5 nights. No, 4 nights, 5 days we went there, so it was just amazing. I gotta choose this again, guys, because it's just so awesome. Oh, look at it. Because I had this for my 18th birthday. This year, because I've never done this my channel, this channel on my birthday before, because I recently started about 6 months ago, or 5 months ago. I'm not really quite sure when I first started this channel, but I'm super happy because I can do Vlogmas this year. Super excited to start that. It's currently the 5th of November now, and it's like less than 4 weeks to go. And it's just awesome because I've never in my life ever done Vlogmas, and I'm going to be asking this year for a scented candle advent calendar, so I'm super excited to open it on camera for you guys for Vlogmas, for day 1 to day 25, Christmas Day, and I'm super excited. But then I could vlog my sister's birthday, and then my birthday is in 3rd of February, which I'm super excited because I'll be 19 years old. Oh my god, I can't believe like I'm gonna be 19. Like, I don't feel 18 or 19, but you just basically, when you are 1 year older, you just feel the same anyway. So yeah, so like, come back into today's vlog anyway. So yeah, I'm just right now, I am getting ready, and I'm actually basically ready. So I've dressed, got my hair ready, and I'm all sorted. All I'm doing now is just waiting for Mum because we're leaving around 6 to half 6 today, and yeah, I'm really excited because oh, I love it so much. I got hit. So yes, but I have got a special. I got a Christmas duvet set to put on my bed for Christmas. Found out gonna be in this house for Christmas this time. Next year I would probably definitely gonna be in a new house next Christmas. But you know, yes. So right now I'm just waiting for my mum to come home. I'm gonna go downstairs, gonna get a drink, gonna have probably just a little snack before I leave, and I guess next time I see you I'll either be in the car or waiting outside in the line in Belgrave Park. See you soon, guys. Belgrave Park and everything. Yeah.
That's the button that will kill everyone. Try again.
Angry.
Over there. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. Behind, don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. Your fever dream, can't you see, getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and you find devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall. It's holding on that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go? We're carrying on timelines, where the runaways are running tonight. Impossible come true, it's taking over you. We won't come down, and the sun can't stop us now. Watch it come true, it's taking over you. Colossal, we come these renegades in the rain. Lining up, shining in the tango. Just surrender, 'cause you're coming, you wanna go. We're carrying on timelines, where the runaways are running entertaining you. We won't come down, the sun can't stop us now. Watch it come true, it's taking over you.
Only 9:30 right now. The dogs are a bit crazy because like it's fireworks still going on and they don't really like it. So, but I have got quite a few clips. It was quite a lot to show you guys, but I haven't long got back. I got back around 8:30, and it's okay, Bonnie. Bonnie, good girl. So yeah, we got back about 8:38, and now we've just been chilling. Fireworks was absolutely fantastic. So yeah, and I guess next time I see you will probably be like around about 10, and I'll see you when I'm up in my room, all in my pajamas because I'm knackered. Like I'm literally knackered, and yeah, I'm gonna chill right now, watch some Netflix, and I'll see you around 10. It's 10:04 right now, and I've got my hair all done, and I'm in my pajamas. My face is literally so red right now, but I'm in my room, as you can tell, and charging my phone. Yes, I am about to end the vlog right now. I really hope you have enjoyed this vlog today, my bonfire vlog, bonfire night vlog. So I'm just chilling, going to probably like watch the rest of the Ingham family vlog that I watched earlier on when it came on around 5 PM today, and so I'm gonna like check that out and watch a bit of that for the rest of it, for like about half an hour. Then because it's like 10 now, so I'm gonna like tuck down and try and fall asleep around half 10, 25 to 11, and yes. So I hope you like this vlog, guys, and if you like, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye guys. Peace.